Hey, are you looking at the 7-Figure Accelerator by Philip Johansen, wondering if it is legitimate or if it's a scam? Well, you came to the right place, and if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to let you know my top quality traffic source that a lot of people are using to get results. And you can use it as well to be able to get results with paid traffic. If you tried paid traffic in the past and you've got little to no results, you're also going to want to stick around, because I'm going to let you know how you can actually get support to get on the right path with your paid traffic, right? So if you don't know what the 7-Figure Accelerator program is it's a course by Philip Johansen. It was designed by him, and it is created off of his ClickFunnels account, and he has his affiliates sign up with an account in ClickFunnels, and it's from his account, right? And then you're promoting his opportunity. So basically, the more sales you make with his opportunity, you're able to get a portion of those commissions. And what he promises you is that you can actually make money every single day, which this kind of text right here, it's kind of hypey. I wouldn't typically do it, right? Because it's giving people false promises as far as that goes. But I would kind of, change this around, because your average beginner affiliate marketer isn't going to make $1,000 to $5,000 per day until he learns some skill sets. And I'm just being real about that. It does sound nice, but it gives people the wrong impression about making money online, right? Because you want to have an attainable goal. If you've never even made your first $1,000, then you want to start there, right? So a lot of people come to me and they're like, well, Gio, what traffic sources should I use? What traffic sources are good with high-ticket affiliate marketing and any kind of marketing for beginners? So if you're an affiliate and you're just getting started, this is definitely going to be good for you. Is what he teaches is how to actually do video and how to get traffic on social media. So and he has live Zoom calls a couple times per week that you can actually get onto. So it does give you some support in that way. But this capture page right here, I could tell you from experience that it does not convert well. It converts at like 42%, and it's kind of hypey, right? So when you have any kind of opportunity or any kind of offer, you don't really want anything that's hypey, and you want to be in control of your own leads. So basically, to get the highest conversions with this page, we would actually do another kind of funnel, right? To get a higher conversion, right? And that's one of the bonus things that I offer people. Now, here's the bonus, traffic source that I would recommend. So this is Profit Builders Traffic. This is my traffic store, which I designed. I had my team design it, I should say. I didn't design it, but basically, you get traffic from me, and I'm able to actually help you to get results online, right? So I want to make sure that you're getting highly qualified traffic to the offers that you're promoting. I want to make sure that your landing page and your offers are congruent. And most importantly, you have to make sure that you're getting quality traffic and it's coming from a quality source, right? Because I learned the hard way that you can't just go online and buy traffic. If you've done that in the past, you'll quickly realize that you'll run through a lot of money trying to do paid advertising without being able to track your stats, without being able to track anything, right? And when you have the 7-Figure Accelerator program, you cannot add pixels to the pages because you don't own those pages. It's all set up on the ClickFunnels account that Philip Johansen owns and sets up his affiliates on. So pretty much you want to be able to track your stats. You want to be able to know your opt-in rate, know your conversion rate, and know every single stat. To do that, you would have to be in control of your own funnel while promoting this opportunity. So one of the benefits is I can actually help you when you order traffic from me. You don't have to know how to design pages. You don't have to know how to do any of that stuff. I actually help you with that. And when you get traffic from me, you get from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get from a mix of different sources, and my goal is to actually help you get results in your high-ticket affiliate marketing. If you're a beginner, that's fine. If you're somebody who's been marketing for a while, I'm still here to help you, and I'm going to help you to be able to get the highest opt-in rate with conversions that's possible with your paid traffic. So my highest to date is a 90% with conversions, and you'll see that testimonial below. It's the first testimonial on my page if you scroll down. And to do that, I help people to manage your offers and manage your funnels so that way they get the best results. If that's something that you would like, make sure you get a traffic package from me so that way you could get a little bit extra support when it comes to promoting your offers. So all you got to do is book a strategy call or book a traffic package with me, and you get a strategy call with that for free, right? And I want to make sure that you get the highest conversions possible. So my highest to date is 90%. This is 85%. But I can say I got somebody a 90% opt-in rate because it happened one time. So I'm able to say that, right? And I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because it's very important to know your leads and conversion rates. So you want to know how many people actually opted in and how to actually track your stats, right? So that's very important. And then I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. You want very highly engaged people. So how this process starts is step one, you select a traffic package below. You could select 90% tier 1 or 100% tier 1. Pick the one that's best for you. And step two is we do a strategy call. You can book the strategy call with me. If you want to get the best results possible, I highly suggest booking a strategy call with me so I can look at your funnel and I can see what you're doing. I can hear the results that you're getting and help you to increase your results with the 7-figure accelerator, right? Step three is we launch your campaign within 72 hours or less, depending on when you book the call. If you book the call at a later time, it'll start right after your call, right? So here's a testimonial I was talking about, 90% tier 1 with 3 sales. And there's plenty more, so you could take a look at this for yourself and you could check out the testimonials. Here's 90% tier 1 right here. So here's 100% tier 1. 100% tier 1 is always going to be the best traffic that you could possibly get. So you just got to pick what's best for you. And then here's some of the questions that you might have. Check down here to make sure none of your questions are answered. And then if you have any questions, you could feel free to reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, and also in the box below. And here's my guarantee to you that I cannot issue refunds, but what I can do is I can compensate you in traffic. So if you're having any issues at all with your traffic order, make sure you reach out to me, leave a message below right here, or reach out to me on Facebook, and I will be happy to help you. I will make sure you're 100% satisfied and that you get exactly what you ordered when you order a traffic package from me. But I can't issue refunds because it's paid traffic. So once you order, just keep that in mind. But I will help you with anything you need. Leave a message down here if you have a message, and I'm happy to help you out, happy to help you get results, and I'm excited for your future. And I want you to be able to just crush it online. It took me 6 years before I really started getting results in my 7th year, right? And it was a struggle. It was something that I had to actually overcome. I had to learn some marketing skills. I realized that I couldn't just run traffic to a funnel or I was going to end up in some hot water, right? And I learned the hard way. I don't want you to have to learn the hard way. I want you to actually get results, get help, get support, get everything that you need taken care of. You're not alone when you do this. Just make sure you understand that you're not alone, and I'm here to help you, right? So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and click on the link below this video to actually go to my traffic store. It'll take you to this store right here to where you could select a traffic package from me. Also, get into my free Facebook group. There's also a link in the description as well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.